White lace crochet cushion cover, elegant handmade home decor. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you love crochet and enjoy adding a handmade touch to your home, today's project is perfect for you. In this video, we are creating a beautiful white lace crochet cushion cover. This elegant design is timeless, easy to customize and perfect for decorating your living room, bedroom, reading corner or even as a thoughtful handmade gift. Whether you are new to crochet or already have some experience, I will guide you through the entire process. So gather your crochet supplies, get comfortable and let's begin. Let's take a closer look at the beautiful design of this white lace crochet cushion cover. The delicate lace pattern gives it a timeless and elegant appearance, making it a perfect addition to almost any home decor style. Whether your space is modern, vintage, farmhouse or minimalist, this handcrafted cushion cover blends in beautifully and adds a soft, sophisticated touch. The repeating lace motifs create an airy, lightweight texture while still providing enough structure to hold the cushion comfortably. The open work pattern allows light to pass through, highlighting the intricate stitches and making the design stand out from every angle. Using white yarn enhances the beauty of the lace, giving the finished piece a fresh, clean and luxurious look. White is also a versatile color that pairs effortlessly with neutral tones as well as bold colored furniture and accessories. One of the best features of this design is its flexibility. You can easily adjust the size by repeating the pattern until it fits your cushion perfectly. You can also experiment with different colors and decorative borders or include buttons or a zipper conclusion for a removable cover. Although the finished design looks detailed and elegant, it's created by repeating simple crochet stitches with patience and consistency. Each row builds on the last, gradually revealing the beautiful lace pattern. Watching the design take shape is one of most enjoyable part of the crochet process. The finished cushion cover is more than just a decorative item. It's a handmade piece of art that reflects creativity, skill and attention to detail. Whether you display it on your sofa bed or favorite chair, it brings warmth, charm and a personal touch to your home. Now let's spend a few moments appreciating the beauty of this white lace crochet cushion cover design. At first glance, it looks delicate and intricate, but every detail is created one stitch at a time. That's what makes handmade crochet so special. Each stitch adds to the overall pattern, gradually transforming a simple ball of yarn into an elegant piece of home decor. The design is inspired by traditional lace crochet, which has been admired for generations because of its timeless beauty. Instead of using heavy solid fabric, this cushion cover features an open work lace pattern that creates a light and airy appearance. The spaces between the stitches become part of the design, adding depth, texture, and elegance. One of the most striking features is the repeating motif. Each section flows naturally into the next, creating perfect symmetry across the cushion cover. This balanced arrangement makes the project look neat, professional, and visually appealing from every angle. The floral inspired details add softness and charm to the overall design. Depending on how the stitches are arranged, you may notice shapes that resemble flowers, petals, leaves, or delicate lace medallions. These subtle details make the cushion cover unique and eye-catching without being overwhelming. The border also plays an important role in the finished look. Instead of ending with a plain edge, the decorative lace border frames the cushion beautifully. Whether you choose scalloped edges, picot stitches, or shell patterns, the border gives the project polished and elegant finish. The choice of white yarn enhances every stitch in the pattern. White reflects light beautifully, making the lace details stand out clearly. It creates a clean, fresh, and luxurious appearance that complements almost every decorating style. Whether your home features neutral colors, natural wood furniture, or colorful accessories, a white lace cushion adds brightness and elegance to the room. Whether you are making this cushion cover for your own home or as a thoughtful handmade gift, the elegant lace designs are sure to be admired. Handmade items have a special charm because they reflect the creativity and dedication of the person who made them. When your project is complete, place it on your favorite chair, sofa, or bed and take a moment to appreciate your work. The delicate lace, the crisp white color, and the beautiful texture come together to create a timeless piece that will remain stylish for years to come. Every time you see it, you will be reminded of the joy and satisfaction that comes from creating something beautiful with your hands. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, enjoyed these designs. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share my video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.